Hey guys, it's night right now. I'm about to go sleep. Just wanna do a celebration. I hit 7 subscribers. Yeah. Yeah, I know to you guys it's like useless, yeah, blah. But to me, it's so good. On my last account, I had like 3 subscribers. Now, in 2026, it's the year. Just saying thank you for everybody what subscribed. And everybody what subscribed, if you're watching this, tell me your user. You might get a free legendary key bundle. But thank you. This is the biggest day ever. Thank you. Thank you for the 7 subscribers. Bye guys. Good night.